Whether your fender is damaged beyond repair or simply doing a complete restoration, you'll be happy to hear that we carry an authentic reproduction. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1971 and 72 Chevelle and El Camino front fenders. Sold individually or in a pair at a discounted price, our fenders are identical to the originals. Each panel is manufactured from 20-gauge steel using case-hardened steel tooling for accuracy and authentic fit. They feature the correct contours, mounting holes, and channels for your fender moldings where applicable. At the end of the production line, each fender is finished with an electrodeposit primer, also known as an EDP coating. EDP coatings are used to protect against rust and corrosion, so you have ample time to prep and paint your part without worrying about potential rust. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.